Hey guys, State Superboy here, or Superboy4444 from AndroidForums.com. I've been asked to do a tutorial on how to install Clockwork Mod Recovery on the Samsung Galaxy Reverb. Let me turn my brightness up for all of you. As you can see, I got a little better camera quality now. I got my camera on batteries, so looks a little better. So first thing you're going to do is download the files you need, and you can do that in the link below. So I'm going to just show you. You're going to open Odin 3 version 3.04, and on your phone you want to turn it off, so I'll do that. Power off. There we go. And some messages. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me zoom in for you. I think that's a little better. You might be able to read it now. I don't know. Okay, that should work. So with your phone, to get into Clockwork, or not Clockwork, you want to boot into Odin, which is the download mode. So you're going to first push your volume down key right there, your power key right here, just hold them down. And let me turn my screen brightness down, so I think that'll help a little bit. So here's the menu you get with the Odin, and it says volume up to continue. That is what you want to click, so it's volume up to continue. Now that's as much as you have to do with your Galaxy Reverb, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Alright, now let's see how much you can see. Alright, coming into focus. So you want to make sure that you leave this repartition box unclicked. Do not do that. And then on your Odin, do not check anything except for playfulgod and click that. You're going to have to navigate. I've already done this, so I have everything done. I'll go ahead and do this newest one, clockworkmod test6.tar. And all these files are in the download link I'm going to provide you. I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to hold my phone up to the screen so you can see what it does. Well, I'll do this first. So you got this start button right here. Oh, you want to make sure that the COM button right there is clicked. You just want to hit start. Alright, now your phone says downloading, and that is as much as you have to do. I don't know if my camera is going to die soon. I kind of think it might. I'm using some old Xbox batteries. So up here it says recovery. So the recovery is downloading. Got your blue bar going across. So it says pass. So my recovery is now flashed onto my phone. Now, just to make this quicker, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my battery. Oh, I like my skin, Skinomi, Tech Skin, carbon fiber, and silver. So I'm just removing the battery to make this a little quicker. Now to boot into recovery, you want to hit volume up first. I'll go ahead and zoom out now. The camera part's done. Volume up and the power button. Oh, I keep holding that. My bad. I messed up, so I'm going to have to remove my battery again. Alright. Volume up, power. I'm going to hold that till I see it say boot to recovery. There it is. So I can let off. And here you have it, Clockwork Mod recovery on your Samsung Galaxy Reverb. If you have any other questions, let me know. I know this is kind of quick, but I think it's pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and install zip from SD card just to show you. M7 offline zip. Alright. Yes, install M7 offline zip. There it goes. It's working. I'm going to go back and reboot system now. So, there you go. Clockwork Mod recovery on the Samsung Galaxy Reverb without a back case right now. And here it is. Alright, have a good one.